Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a lead into a deal in Pipedrive so you can move prospects into your pipeline and start tracking real opportunities. Let's get started. First, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Leads. This will take you to your Leads inbox where all your unqualified prospects are stored. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the lead you want to convert. Once you find the right lead, click on it to open the Details view. Here, take a quick moment to review the information. Make sure the contact person, organization, and any notes or activities are correct, since all of this will carry over into the deal. Next, look for the Convert to Deal button. You'll usually find it below the lead details. Go ahead and click it. A setup window will appear where you can choose which pipeline the deal should go into and select the starting stage. You may also see options to adjust the deal title, owner, value, or expected close date. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right. Then click Convert. Pipedrive will instantly create a new deal and link it to the same contact, organization, notes, and activities, so nothing gets lost in the process. And that's it. You've successfully converted a lead into a deal. Quick recap. Go to Leads, open your lead, click Convert to Deal, review the details, and confirm. Simple, fast, and a key step in turning interest into real sales opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.